Good morning. Welcome to our channel English Buddy. Today we are going to learn the next part of the lesson. Attitude is altitude. Page 5th, second para onwards. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and help others, said Nick. When Nick was 13 years old, he read a newspaper article. In that article, he could read about a disabled man. He managed to achieve great things and he had helped others, even though he was disabled man. Next, I realized why God had made us like this, to give hope to others. It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and give them the courage that the article had given me. After reading the newspaper article, Nick Vujicic realized why the God had given him that kind of birth. Yeah, God had given him like torso, the birth like torso, to give other disabled persons, to give hope to other disabled persons. Yes, he felt this is the inspirational to him. Then Nick Vujicic decided to use his life to encourage other disabled people, filling them with courage in their hearts. After reading that article in the newspaper, the article given him a hope and given him courage and inspiration to make other disabled people, make them courageous people. Next, I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not get angry about what I don't. Nick Vujicic decided to be thankful. What he had means that he has head, eyes, nose, and he has mainly one foot on his left hip, and he did not get angry about what he didn't have, means hands, legs. Next, I looked at myself in the mirror and said, you know what, the world is right that I have no arms or legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. One day, Nick Vujicic looked at his reflection in the mirror and said, the world could see that he has no arms and legs, but they can never take the beauty of his eyes. Beauty of his eyes means his sharpness of the eyes. Then he decided to concentrate on what he had. Next, the challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. They are not there to run us over, said Nick. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. Nick Vujicic feels and tells that the challenges come in our lives to everyone, but those challenges strengthen our weaknesses. Challenges come to in everyone's life, but they won't suppress anyone when they are courageous, when they are with bravery. In the year 1990, Nick Vujicic got the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery, and in difficult situation, even he has difficult situation, he continued his life, having willpower and strong desire. Next, and once I was in a car and a girl at traffic lights was giving me the eye. She could only see my head, so I decided to do a 360 in the car seat to freak her out. Her face was like, "Ooh, what is going on?" She sped off really quickly. One day, Nick Vujicic was in his car at the traffic lights. Then a girl saw him. Then Nick Vujicic, to make their funny, he decided to do a 360-degree in the car seat to make her freak. Freak means F-R-E-A-K. Freak means shock. Make her wonder. Then the girl shocked to see Nick Vujicic that he had no legs and hands with only main part of the body. Then she got wondered and confused. What's going on? She felt and ran from there quickly. Still, Nick began traveling the world, and in 2008 he went to Hawaii and met surfing master Bethany Hamilton, who had her arm bitten off by a shark when she was 12. Nick Vujicic wanted to travel around the world. In the year 2008, he went to Hawaii. There he met surfing master named Bethany Hamilton.